Hello everyone and welcome to another TUL tutorial. Today I will show you how you can pay online your monthly rent for the Harcov Dormitories. You should go to this website. You can ignore all of these tabs and go straight to this one. It is a hyperlink to this website, useful to keep track with your accommodation information and make direct payments. There is the option to apply for an accommodation, but you do not need to do it. All students have a room reserved as soon as they are accepted to study at the Technical University of Liberec. On the top right corner, you can log in. On the tab Account, you can find basic information, including the amount of your monthly rent and your deposit. Again, in Accounts, you can find details about your rent when you click on the little I right here. When clicking on Charge, this is where you can pay your monthly rent. Here, you type in the amount you wish to pay. And then you can click on Online Payment and proceed. On your left, you can find the bank account information, but also a reminder that this process takes a bit of time, so do not procrastinate. Here is some information about your ISIC card, student card, and here some information about your room. So for example, the number, but also the price you have to pay per night. You also have some details, for example, the number of roommates you will have and the name of your roommate. It says that I did not pay last month's rent, but I did in the accommodation office. Here you can also book, but as I said before, you do not need to do it. You also have other useful links here. So I hope this video was useful for you and see you soon in another TUL video. Bye!